Hi, I'm Faye.
Hello, I'm Fluffy.
We're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly, bring us down!
Everybody! That's right! I'm Fluffy.
And it's me, Faye.
You're not Faye.
What do you mean? This is my facelift, boys. Cheeseburgers.
And I'm Fluffy Souffle. I like cats. Meow, meow. And I love my dog, Buddy. And I really love to roller skate.
Then why don't you roller skate?
Yeah, Flufferino.
Right now?
Yeah!
No, we don't have any roller skates here, unfortunately. Maybe another time.
Oh,
yeah.
Look what I found.
Yay! I love roller skating. Maybe I'll even do some tricks like a triple axel and even a caramel dip and okay. It's me, I'm Faye.
Okay, I'm Fluffy. Did we trick you?
No! The entire time!
We were just being silly and having some fun, and so we thought we'd play a little joke.
Yeah. Have any of you ever been silly before?
Yeah!
What does it feel like when you're being silly?
Fun.
Fun.
It makes me feel happy, and it's fun.
What about you, Sage?
It makes me feel kind of weird.
Weird is good. Does anyone have a silly story or joke you can share with us?
What goes up and down and is red?
I don't know.
A tomato in an elevator.
What? That is so silly.
Why does it take pirates so long to learn the alphabet?
Why did it take so long for pirates to learn the alphabet?
Because they spend so long at sea.
When is it an appropriate time to be silly, and when is it not appropriate to be silly?
It's not okay to be silly when someone's being very serious to you, and it's okay to be silly when you're playing fun games.
Excellent.
I like that. I like how you're using somebody else as a clue to mirror how they're feeling. Like, you don't want to be silly when somebody needs comfort.
In school, like when you're actually learning, you can't be silly, but at recess, you can be silly.
Sometimes when you're not feeling so great, being silly can really help cheer you up. And do you know what I do when I'm feeling kind of down?
What
do you do?
I make silly faces, and it actually helps me feel better. Buzz, Mookie, look at you jumping on your trampoline.
Buzz and I have a case of the sillies.
We're being silly.
I can see that.
And you both like to jump on the trampoline to get your sillies out.
Yeah. I love to bounce. Check this out. Ah!
Buzz, are you having fun over there?
I do feel like being silly, but I don't think I like bouncing this high.
Oh, Moogie,
I'm gonna bounce.
but I don't think Fuzz wants to.
So,
Too high, too high, too high. I don't think trampolining is how I want to get my sillies out today.
That's okay, Fuzz. There are lots of different ways that we can be silly and have fun.
Yes, what is it that you, Fuzz, like to do to be silly and have fun?
Oh, I could perform my award-winning solo show, Fuzz on a Hot Tin Roof.
Oh, yeah. Well, we did that 3 dozen times yesterday, so maybe something else?
I like to run on my hamster wheel, but it sure would be fun to have a way to show my sillies that Moogie and I could do together.
Well, you both like to dance and get dressed up, too.
So true. Oh, I have a great idea, but I'll need Moogie's help. Well, I hope they come back soon.
what did I miss?
Hey, buddy, isn't this just the best walk ever? It's the perfect day. Not a cloud in the... Oh, no, it's starting to rain. How will I keep my hair dry? Buddy, can you help me think of ways to stay dry? Blowing the rain away? I don't know if that will work, but I like your silly thinking. So silly. I don't know if catching the water with your mouth will work either. Buddy, hiding under the water might protect us from the rain, but it sure won't keep my beautiful hair dry. Newspaper hats. That ought to do the trick. Good thinking outside the box, buddy. Sometimes silly ideas are the best ideas. I love looking silly. How's there a cat meowing?
Are you ready to do the settle down song?
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's story is Ploof. Words and pictures by Ben Clanton and Andy Chu Musser. This is Ploof. Ploof is feeling lonely. Can you all say hello?
Hello.
Hello, Ploof.
Ploof, why don't you be friends with us?
Good idea. Whoosh, whee, yay! Ploof is happy to see you.
Ploof? Would you like to see Ploof do a trick?
Yes? Ooh. Oh, Ploof is feeling shy now. You can do it, Ploof! Believe in you!
Oh, let's cheer Ploof on. Let's clap for Ploof!
Yay! Way to go, Ploof! What a star!
Poof! What's Ploof pretending to be now?
A bunny.
Ah,
Wow, so many shapes. Can you guess them all?
what about this one?
Flower.
And
Rocket ship.
and
Lion.
Ploof is running out of steam. Let's help puff Ploof back up. Can you blow softly on Ploof? Ploof wants you to do it again, but an even bigger blow. Ready?
Wee, woo, whoa, woo, wee! What a wind! Look at Ploof fly! Wee! Uh-oh!
Ploof, look out! There's a tree.
Oh no, Ploof is stuck. Can you help? Maybe try shaking the tree a little?
Shake!
Yeah.
Yay! Ploof is free! Are you okay, Ploof? That was a little bit scary, wasn't it?
Let's cheer Ploof up. How about a funny face? Ploof loves funny faces.
Whee! Woohoo! It worked! Thank you. What should we do now, Ploof?
Hide and seek? Sounds fun. Let's close our eyes and count to 10 while Ploof hides. Close your eyes, everyone.
You're not peeking, are you? All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ready or not, here we come!
Where's Ploof?
He's
Spotted.
the kite.
There you go.
That's him.
Can you spot Ploof now?
They're at the bottom near the barn.
Way to go. Looks like Ploof wants to give you a high five.
Nice one! Thanks for playing with Ploof. Time to wave goodbye. Swoosh.
Oh, before you go, how about a hug?
Oh. Thanks for being such a fantastic friend. See you soon. The end. Now, is everyone ready? ready for our super fantastical, super-tastic silly dance party!
Hit it, friends!
Say remember to care.
I, Fluffy, say remember to be kind.
And remember to read. See you next time!